Hi everyone, it's Sheila here again. Today in my kits I've got these gorgeous sort of 10 to 12 mil quartz, faceted quartz, which are really lovely. The colours are so colourful for the summer and the lovely weather we hopefully continue to have. So I'm just going to show you the centre section, which the other two are exactly the same, and I've just joined them in the middle there with just doing 6 either side of the tourmaline in the middle there. Okay, so what we need for this is we need some fire line to use, because I've done these not on the beading thread, I've done them on the fire line, so I think there'll be some in the show today for you. So here we go, I'll just move that necklace further out the way up there, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the faceted quartz, and then I've got 1 which is going to be in the middle there, because we've got 5 around the outside and 1 in the middle. I'm going to do them all blue, but I've done a different combination of colours, so you can do whatever you want with them. The choice is yours. And then we've got these lovely gold seed beads, which I find are great because they really do add that sort of luxury feel to it, doesn't it, I think. So here we go. So I've got 5 there, and then in between each of the 5 I've got one of the little spacer beads. So if we just, I tend to knot it first. So if you go over once that way, and then back over round the other way, that gives you more of a secure knot. So that then brings us into the circle, which we have in the middle there. So I'm going to just go through it again, because it just gives it that extra strength, as you can see. It just gives it that tautness, and it's easy to work with then to move on to the next section, otherwise it can leave it a little bit slack. So there we go. So you can take it right the way round to where you were in the beginning. And then again, you can give that another knot, and then you can snip that one length off. Hopefully we'll have enough thread, but use as much thread as you can so that you know you're not going to run out. Oops. So now what we're going to do is we've got that section now in the middle. We're going to get another 3, 1, 2, 3 of the seed beads, and then we're going to take it round, back round. Let's pull it round so you've got that section there. Let me put it down flat, it's easier to show you then. And what I'm going to do then, I'm going to go back up those 3 there that are on there, because you need that extra support in those as well. So we go up where you've come through, you then go up like so, and then you just pop that through the final bead and then take it back through where you've just come from. Whoops. Take it up this side of the bead. There we go. Put that down, you can see it a bit better now. Now what I've done, I've just strengthened that there. So as you can see, that's sitting there nicely there. I've strengthened it. And the more you go round, the flatter it will become. And I think this is a really easier anyway design that you can do to move on to use your seed beads. So there's another 3. So I'll take it back through. And then you see how that sits there, and then just take your needle back up and again. Take that back through down there, back through your quartz, bring it up this side. So you can see what we do now, each one we're going around. That was the very first seed bead that we put in between the quartz. And now we've done 1, 2, so we've got to go all the way around until we get to the final one. So 1, 2, 3, take that back round and through, take it up through the 3 seed beads that you've just added on. Make sure you just pull your tension a little bit, take it through again, add on your 3, 1, 2, 3, take it back round again, there we go, on the last one now, take it back up, so those 3, and I mean you can just leave it like this if you want to. I think it really looks pretty myself. And then you can just join it without doing anything further. But I'll just show you what else you can do with it. Oops, make sure you don't get a knot in it, which I have there. There we go, it's come out. So we know on the very last one, and you can see how that's really looking quite, I really do love the way that they sit in between the larger gemstones, really are lovely. I made 5 pieces altogether, and I have sent some photographs in, so hopefully you'll be able to see those. We all tend to make something different, don't we? But it's amazing how many pieces we all do make. There we go. So take that now through there. Just make sure that they're all sitting nicely, which they are there. Okay. And then what we're going to do now, I'm going to take that back through up. So we've done those sections in between, and you can actually, as I say, leave it like that, but you can, to do something a little bit different with it, is go back up through those, your next set of, move that back, there we go, through that section of your 3 seed beads there. Go up again, go back down, and then you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think it's about 6 going round over the top. And then you can take those back up through your next set of 3. Go. And then you can have that sitting round each section. So we'll do that again. So we just make sure that you take it through the third one that you've done. There we go. So then we put 6 on, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take that round, start going up your 3, 1, 3 seed beads, 1, 2, back down. Don't go through the hole, otherwise you'll have to come back on yourself again. There we go, because you're going outside the quartz. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, nearly at the end. Take it back up through your 3, 1, 2, 3, and then last but 1. And you take it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see how it's coming on now, and then we just finish it off at the end with, take that back up and through. Oops. There we go, and through the top one, through the next one, come out, don't go through the hole, You see how that sits really nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end. And then take it back up again. Now if you want to go all the way through your larger beads, just your larger quartz, then just do that, because that then is the final. Just a little bit as you get your, because as they get a bit tighter, then you have to manoeuvre your seed beads a little bit just to get the, there we go. So there we've now got that centre section there, and all we've got to do is pop that on in the middle. So I'm going to just go back through the larger beads. So if we take that down to there, take it all through your larger bead, and then take it through the bottom one of the 4 where you had the 3 there where you were going through. You've got one in between that we very first started off with. So just go through that, go through your larger quartz, back through the seed bead, the bottom seed bead, and then back through, and then you're nearly round then to be able to put on your there we go. So now what we do is then we're going to put this one on in the middle. To take that through there, so it'll come right out in the middle. Okay, we're going to take the middle one, that one, sorry, take that in the middle. Just take it down under a little bit and just secure it. Bring it back up through a seed bead or whatever, however you want to sort of work it. Just get that secured section in the middle there. And then what you can do then is you actually, you take that, hang on a minute, take that back through there. And take it to where the hole is for the seed bead, for the quartz. Then we can start putting on, so we do one, I think it's about the same, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that then starts to take it round, as you see, 6, 7. You can, to secure it so you get that, take that back through your quartz in the middle. See, they got the start of it, you see, and then you can add it on whichever way you want. I do it this way for the best security really, and then you can go back round. So if you pop on another, maybe just another 2 there, maybe 3. Do 3, and then you see that once you've pushed that, once you've got some more on, that will push up next to those. So I'm going to carry on doing this and see how many. It's all trial and error really, depending on some of the seed beads do vary just a fraction. So if we carry on all the way around doing that, you can see we're almost there. It's another couple. 1, 2. Take that round. Hope this is enough now. As you can see now, we're almost there. So what we need to do is just take that through that last one there, and then just pop on a few more. If you see that you're maybe 1 short, I think if we just take that all the way around, that'll tighten up, but I will put 1 in just to make sure that that will sit that down. Just pull that together and then carry on going all the way around until you get back to the top there, and then just secure that off by popping your needle through and then securing it underneath. But once you've been round again, that will all sit in perfectly. And that's it really. So I hope you enjoy making that, and keep well everybody. Bye bye now.